This is a DMP Flex 200. The Flex 200 is a relatively small system with a lot of power that kind of goes along with it. You've got a build platform of 140 by 140, a Z of 115 millimeters tall. You can really build and start building all of the little things that you need. It's a great machine to kind of start with that experimentation.
So this is the 500 watt laser that is now powering the system. It has more power than we've had in the past, but yet it's a smaller footprint in size.
You can take what you learn on a smaller system and port that to what you're getting on a larger system. Relatively straightforward.
So this is our patented roller recoater system. It's housed inside this carriage. This carriage takes powder through the part feed. It will then put powder on top of our part bed where the welding process takes place.
It's really a system that's meant to allow people to kind of flex and use whatever they need to use. The DMP Flex 200 is a compact system. You can really kind of put that into almost any location from a size perspective. You just need to have that space, that room. Doesn't need to be that large, a little bit bigger than a closet.
Here's a standard validation plate. We build this with every machine. You can see some of the great high detail and surface finish that you can get on all of our parts.
It allows those research facilities that haven't really played with metal additive manufacturing to work through some of those kind of kinks as they're kind of building up or kind of getting to that next step. The training on it is relatively quick. You can do a lot of things kind of on your own and work through those things. It's pretty straightforward and easy to use.